hard water spots, ruins your paint and your glass, our water spot remover safely eliminates them and restores clarity. For extremely stubborn water spots, spread it evenly onto the surface and spread it with a latex glove. Let it dwell and work it into the affected areas with circular motions. Then, wipe away the residue with a clean microfiber towel for a crystal clear finish. Follow up with glass cleaner to remove any leftover product. For light and moderate spots, apply the remover directly onto the applicator pad and spread it evenly on the glass surface. Let it dwell for 20 to 30 seconds so it can break down the minerals. Then, simply wipe it away with a clean towel. Repeat if needed. You can also follow up with the glass cleaner for a spotless, streak-free finish. Whether it's light marks or extreme buildup, our water spot remover gets the job done. It's simple, it's safe, and it's effective.